Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked sweet potatoes. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven, and I'm going to set this to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to wash my sweet potatoes. I love baking my sweet potatoes because it just intensifies the sweetness. I like to eat it plain just by itself because it's so sweet. I don't feel like it needs anything. But I'm curious, what do you like to put on yours? How do you eat your sweet potatoes? Leave me a comment below and let me know. So I'm just taking a fork here and I'm piercing holes through the sweet potato. Make sure you pierce all around the sweet potato. Then all you want to do is put it on a lined baking sheet and you're good to go. I'm going to bake this for 1 hour until it's tender at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So whenever I have leftover sweet potatoes, I always freeze it or I make something with it. So in my next video coming up, I'm gonna show you how I make sweet potato pancakes. So keep looking out for that. This is the easiest thing to make and it's so good for you. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.